Why suddenly everyone is talking about micro SaaS business? If you look at Sam Owens, founder of consultant.com, he recently sold this company in millions of dollars. Russell Brunson, another multi-millionaire entrepreneur who built it all with the help of a SaaS business. If you look at new age YouTube millionaires like Iman Gadzi or Alex Becker, all of these people are moving towards SaaS. But the question is why? In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can tap onto this opportunity and why this is the right time, especially if you're planning to start your software as a service company in 2024, then this might be a very right time to start it. And I'll tell you 3 reasons why I'm saying this. By the end of this video, you will also understand how you can tap onto this opportunity, because I realize that most of the videos on YouTube and all the people out there, they are sharing about it, but it's too complicated and it's kind of tricky if you are not a technical entrepreneur, or if you do not know how to code or how to program. You might think that, well, this is not the right opportunity for you. But as any other business, product is not everything of business. There is something more to it. So let's get into it. Now let me tell you the reason why all the millionaires are getting into this SaaS business. And what exactly is SaaS business? So the idea is this: you are offering a service and you are selling a technology for fulfilling this service. Now let me give you an example. So let's say someone is running an e-commerce store and they're looking to increase conversions in their business. Now one of the ways you can offer your service is by manually helping them with their designing, writing copies, running Facebook ads, and all these stuff. Or you can build a software that they can use to solve one specific problem. Recently, I went to a meetup in Bali with some of the SaaS entrepreneurs. One of the person was offering AI landing page designer. Now with the help of this tool, people can put URL and it was creating all of this landing page by itself. Now this is such an innovative idea, especially for someone who does not know how to write a copy, who doesn't know how to design a proper graphic, but now with the help of AI they can do all of it by themselves. So this is such a big advantage for a user, and they were charging $49 for this service. So they are offering services but with the help of technology. Now, another friend of mine sells database. This is very interesting because people think that you need to have a very complicated structure if you want people to pay you money for a software. But that is not really true. You can create simple tools that are solving real problems and you can make a lot of money by doing it. The big question is that, do you have a problem that you can solve with the help of technology? If there is something manual that is going on right now for a specific set of users, eventually it will become automatic. This is the question right here. The reason why people are moving to SaaS business is, first of all, it is easy to start now. You do not need to be a coder, or you do not need to get a computer science degree if you want to start a SaaS business, because now there are no code tools that you can use. You can just drag and drop if you can understand the logic behind it. And also you can acquire new softwares. There are a lot of developers who are creating applications, but they do not know how to market it. They do not know how to sell it. So you as an entrepreneur has a leverage to acquire those softwares for cheaper price and build a sustainable recurring income. Now that takes me to third point, which is you can create a recurring source of income with software. It's like an online asset that is giving you income over the period of time. And because once people subscribe to a software, and if that is genuinely solving the problem, they stick to it. So there is a very high lifetime value of a customer when you launch a SaaS business. I run a community where I help creators launch their successful business. I'll put the link in the description if you are interested to join it. You can meet like-minded people and you can get inspired. I share a lot of tools and resources inside the community. And now let's talk about how you can tap onto this opportunity. Because look, 8 out of 10 billionaires right now are in tech industry. So tech is a massive, massive industry, because everyone on this planet is using technology in one way or another. Internet is getting faster. More people are relying on technology to make their life easier and to make their businesses effective. If you are in this one particular segment of SaaS, that is B2B businesses, then you are sitting on a gold mine. But the question is, how can you start it? So first of all, you need an audience that is willing to buy the product that you are creating. I recently created a detailed video on this channel where I discuss how you can build your products on top of something that is already successful. So very, very powerful strategy. Make sure to check that out. I also created a workshop around it. You can find the link in the description. This is the first thing, that you can tap onto someone's audience, or you can leverage own audience to build a product. If it is your own audience, that is perfect. This is the right time to be a creator. If you are not producing content on the internet, you are going to miss out. Do not do that. You must start sharing what you think is important. Go out there and create your YouTube channel or Instagram reels. Everyone on the internet is either a creator or a consumer. So if you are an entrepreneur, do not be on the side of being a consumer. Be a creator. Second thing is, you need a product that people are willing to buy. That happens when you do enough research about your customers' real solutions. When you start serving people manually, this is where you get the idea of creating a software that can automate your service. A lot of people just copy the software that is already working, but most of the time it does not work. And there is a specific reason for that. I have made this mistake. Most people go out there and they copy the website, they copy the colors, they copy the software, but they do not understand that why that product is actually working. So this is a very important question to ask. Why do you think that software will work? That you can only find out when you are spending time researching problems of this segment, that you can also call a niche. Third thing is, you need an MVP, that is minimum viable product. A minimum set of features that you can go out there with and sell it. I have made this mistake. I ended up creating one product for 1 year just to realize that people did not need it. So do not be that person. You must go in the market and test your product with minimum set of features. And that should not take you more than a month or two. If a product is taking more than a month or two, then either you are overthinking or you have not narrowed it down enough. Do not make this mistake. Go out there and be in the market within 1 month or two. Now, this advice is specifically for bootstrap software as a service products. It is not for someone who is willing to raise funds and create a very complex technology. If there is competition, that is kind of an idea validation that there is a market that exists for similar products. You just need to figure out a narrative that makes your product unique. So this is how you can start your software as a service company. Now, I have created a lot of videos on how to find out an idea, how can you start a business. I have also shared a lot of resources inside the community. Make sure to use that and create a business that you really care about. If you are a solo entrepreneur, this can be a very good opportunity for you. Use it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box or ask in the community. I would love to discuss. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that. So every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. And I will see you in the next video.